Hi folks, so you've narrated your audiobook and you're now ready to upload it to ACX. But here's the question. How do you know it's going to pass ACX's horrible, scary audio submission requirements? Well, you don't until you start uploading each of your book's chapters. That's a bit stressful, leaving it to the last moment, but don't despair because there is a clever little tool that you can download and install into Audacity, and it's called ACX Check. What does it do? Well, as the name implies, it checks your recording and makes sure it meets ACX's requirements. Now, if you haven't got ACX Check already in your copy of Audacity, this is how to find it and download it. And stick around through to the end of this video because I'll show you how easy it is to use ACX Check too. Okay, so here we are at the computer. I want to download ACX Check, so I need to go to the following URL. It's shown at the bottom of the screen here, and I've put this as a link in the notes below as well. So I've already gone to this particular URL, so I'm in the place I want to be. So to find the ACX Check plugin, you just need to scroll down a little bit, and here it is, acxcheck.ny. NY stands for Nyquist, who I assume are the producers of this little program. So simply click the download button. There you go. And it's downloaded it. There it is, showing up on my screen. So the next thing I need to do is to go into Audacity itself. So here is Audacity. I've already got a recording loaded up that I want to check meets the ACX requirements, which I'll do in a moment when I show you how to use the ACX Check program. So having downloaded ACX Check, I'm now in Audacity. I click on Tools and Nyquist Plugin Installer because having downloaded it, I now need to install it into Audacity. So I click on that, and I need to find the ACX Check program. So if I browse my computer, if I click on this PC and go into Downloads, there is ACX Check sitting in my downloads for today. So I'm going to highlight that and click Open and Apply. And now it says success. So the ACX Check program is now installed in my copy of Audacity. Good. That's progress. So having installed ACX Check into your copy of Audacity on your computer, you need to take one final step, and that is to enable it, therefore making sure that it will work. So you need to click on Analyze and then Plugin Manager, and I've actually got two copies of ACX Check in here because I already had it before I downloaded it today, so it was already there, so not to worry. But you need to make sure, if you've never downloaded ACX Check before, you'll only have it entered here once, and you need to ensure that it is enabled, that there's a tick in this box in the enabled column next to ACX Check. Now there isn't a tick next to the one that I've just downloaded again, and I'm not going to bother to enable that because it might confuse it. ACX Check's already there and already enabled, but you need to make sure it is enabled before you use it. Okay, hope that makes sense. So I click OK. Right, and now I've got this recording here. I'm going to check that whether it meets ACX's submission requirements by using ACX Check. So I'm going to click Analyze again. ACX Check is showing in the list of available plugins I can use in this analysis. If you hadn't have enabled it, it wouldn't be showing here, by the way. So if it isn't showing here, that's the thing to do. Go back and check that you have enabled it in the plugin manager up there. Okay, so ACX Check. But first I need to select the whole recording. So it's all selected. It's now going to apply ACX Check right across the whole recording. Click ACX Check, and there it goes, and it's passed. Look, peak level 3.34, RMS level minus 22.39. Pass. Noise floor as well, passed. And if you refer to my other video on how to ensure that all your recordings meet ACX's submission requirements, and you follow the process that I've outlined in that video, when you come to use ACX Check to check indeed that your recording does meet ACX's submission requirements, I guarantee it will pass every single time. You won't have a problem. And ACX Check forewarns you before you upload the program onto ACX's website. You upload each recording, I should say, for your completed audiobook. You will know that it is going to pass ACX's submission requirements. Job done. So there you have it. By running ACX Check through each of your recordings, you will be able to see if they will pass ACX's requirements or not. And if you had followed my other video, how to ensure your audiobook recordings pass ACX's audio submission requirements every time, which shows you what effects to use on each of your recordings, they will pass. But if you haven't followed that video, then I've put the link to it in the notes below. So, now if you've found this video helpful, please give it a like by clicking the thumbs up symbol, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos all about audiobook narration skills for narrators new, old or aspiring, because it's free and it always will be. And if you have any questions, please post them up in the comments below, because I will answer every single one of them. So thank you for watching, and yeah, you got it. See me again soon. Bye for now.